On this video, we will go over the very basics of backstroke in 5 skills. The first and most essential skill is to float in the water face up in a horizontal position. Put your face above the surface of the water and relax your arms while your legs kick to bring your lower body up. Feel how your lungs fill with air, float more easily, and if you let the air out, your body sinks. The second skill is moving backwards. Let's practice how that feels by pushing off the wall while on your back. Now that you have that initial momentum, kick how you are kicking to stay afloat and get further away from the wall. The legs have 3 main joints. The ankles need to be in plantar flexion, meaning pointing to the wall. Notice how important this is. If I put my ankles in dorsiflexion like this, I don't move. But as soon as I change them, I start moving again. The knees need to be a little flexed, but not too much. See how I don't move when I bend them too much. Same thing if I have them straight the whole time. They need to be a little bent when the leg is going up and straight when it is going down. The hips is where the power to move the legs will originate. We will see why it will be rotating when you swim full backstroke later in the video. The arm movement goes from a stretched arm up top all the way to the hips, with a slight bent elbow in the middle. Do not rotate with your arm straight down or you can hurt your shoulder. Before we move on to the last skill, if you want to see our tutorials in a more organized way, and if you want to buy one of our swim caps, go to skillswimming.com. The 5th skill is the rotation. In backstroke, we rotate our body for several reasons. One of them is to have a better angle to pull water. Practice the rotation without the arms. The whole body rotates except your head. Keep your head in place as still as you can. The biggest challenge here is to coordinate the kick, so practice slow at first and get faster with time. Finally, put all the skills together. Start by using one arm with rotation and kick. Then, do the whole thing once you get the hang of it. Start with a good push from the wall and then do the whole backstroke swim. Once you dominate the 5 basic skills of backstroke, you can move on to the next set of skills that you can find on this backstroke playlist. If you want a free swim cap, check out our giveaway in the description. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to watch more of our videos and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Swim fast.